I've been seeing Dr. Roman in Sanford for many years, and after several years with her, she referred me here due to some periodontal issues. And so I've been coming here ever since, and Patty's my hygienist, and I've had some gum grafts, and they've done great so far. If you're a new patient here, you're going to enjoy your experience here. I've learned a lot of things about my own teeth that I didn't know before, especially using the water flosser. That's the best thing ever. And I've really enjoyed coming here, even though it's a drive. This office is really nice. I mean, just coming in the front door is really nice, pretty, clean. The staff's very nice, professional. I wish I worked here, actually. I was looking around. This is just a great place to be. I'm sure you guys enjoy working here.